Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick pasta salad for you. So I've already started, got my water boiling, and I'm going to put my noodles right in. They're Garden Delight veggie noodles right here. So stay tuned. I'm going to get that prepared, and then I'm going to get my vegetables prepared. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and pour my noodles in the boiling water. And you want to boil your water first with some salt. You want to salt the water heavily and undercook your pasta. So here we go. I'm going to let that cook. I'm going to stir it and let that cook for about 10 minutes or so. Then I'm going to take it out. Alright guys, here is all my vegetables that I've prepared and chopped up. I have some fresh parsley off my Tower Garden. I have some green onions. I have cucumbers, tomatoes, zucchini, squash. I have some solid shrimp here. And this is the kind that I'm using right here. Cooked solid shrimp. And what you want to do with this, you keep them frozen till you're ready to use. Then you're going to take them out and you're going to drain. You're going to wash them under some cold water, and then you're going to pat them dry. Then I have some imitation crab meat, in which I have the Food Lion brand that I'm using, and stevia, black pepper, Italian seasoning, pink Himalayan salt, ground paprika, Italian dressing, and I don't like mayo. It's funny, I can eat chicken salad and coleslaw and things like that, but I just don't like mayo on a sandwich. So what I'm going to be doing is taking out some pasta and making a little small salad with this vegan dressing spread. So we're going to try that out today too. Alright, so we're going to hold still until my pasta get ready, then we're going to put it all together. Okay you guys, my pasta is ready, so I'm going to take that off the stove and I'm going to strain it and run it under some cold water. Okay, so my pasta is ready. So I just proportion it out in different bowls. Like I said, I'm going to make a small bowl with the vegan salad dressing. So here we go. We're going to start putting our ingredients in the bowl. I have some crab meat. And I'm going to put it in each bowl. And I'm going to go with the salad shrimp. Your green onion. Your cucumbers. We have zucchini. We have squash. We have our tomatoes. We have our parsley. And I'm going to stop right here and get a bigger bowl. Alright, so I transferred into a bigger bowl. So now we're going to put all our seasonings in there. So I'm going to start with stevia. I use 2 packs for this, 3 packs for the other one. And I'm going to do 4 packs of stevia. And just pour it in. Then I'm going to do black pepper. And I'm going to do the other one. Then you're going to do Italian seasoning. And you use your own measurements with this to your tasting, to your liking. Now, Himalayan pink salt, just a little bit of that. Paprika. Just a little bit. Now for this one, I'm going to do the Italian dressing. So I'm just going to pour a little bit to start. Then I'm going to mix. You want to get everything covered, all the noodles and the vegetables. Alright, I'm just going to pour a little bit more. Now this is not the way my mother made it. This is the way I made it. Just a little twist, adding a little more vegetables to it. Alright, I'm going to set this one to the side. And I'm going to do the one with the vegan mayo. Alright, this is the vegan mayo. If you never tried it, it has sunflower oil, water, modified food starch, potato starch, starch, cornstarch, distilled vinegar, salt, lemon, and some other stuff, so paprika. So I'm going to give it a taste before I even... I got a spoon right here. Let me see how it tastes. I guess it would taste like mayo. I don't know. I guess so. Okay. So I'm going to use a little bit of this. Not much. And I'm going to stir this together. Okay guys, so this is what the one with the Italian dressing came out to look like. It looks good to me. And then this is the one with the vegan mayo. Alright. Now I'm going to take myself some out and try each of it. Alright, I'm going to give it a taste. I know you can't see me right now, but I'm still going to taste it. That one was good with that vegan mayo, so you should try that. I'll try it again. Now let's try the other one. That one's good too. I put the right seasonings in it. Nothing needs to be added to either one of them. So you guys, I hope you liked my video today. I hope you come again. I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and share. I really appreciate you subscribing and sharing my videos. That way my content will get out to see the YouTube world. So thank you again. Peace out. Love you.